Yes, welcome back. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Alright, so see me have the gungo on the fire. I cook. So today I'm giving you another cooking vlog. And on the menu today is gonna be barbecue chicken, barbecue shrimp, and rice and gungo. So that's the gungo on the fire. I cook. Alright, so I cover it, make it do it something. Over here, so I have the shrimp seasoned and ready. Looking good. Alright, let me move that. And right here, so the chicken seasoned up already. See there? Well seasoned down. And I marinate. Alright? So, I'm not going on a long video today. I'm not drag out the cooking video. Maybe 10 minutes the tops and stuff. So when I put the chicken in the oven and the shrimp for bake and make my barbecue sauce and then I spread over it, I'm gonna show you guys all of that process. So it's not gonna be a long cooking vlog today. And when I realize it's like my channel becomes a cooking show because I be a cooking me I do. And me also they prepare breakfast at the same time. See there? I fry some plantain. So yes folks, see there? Rice and gungo finish. Well shelly and all. Alright. So we're gonna go in the oven now, go look on the chicken and the shrimp. Cause what I did, I put both of them in a same container because me barbecue both of them, so I never see the need to separate them. So I go in the I close this and go in the oven and show you. Yes, see the folks, shrimp on one side and the chicken on one side. It's a catch color here now. See there? So I'm gonna make it get a little more time on the side there, and then I flip them and put the rest of the barbecue sauce on it. See there? Barbecue shrimp and barbecue chicken all in one container. At the first I do barbecue shrimp, so me tell on the guys how that tastes. I never do barbecue shrimp first. So I experiment now, but I do barbecue chicken all the time. So, you know, there we go. So yes people, see that finish. Chicken, shrimp. If you reach this far in the video, please like, share and comment and turn on your post notification bell for all the new subscribers. And thanks for watching. Okay? Like me tell you say, today wasn't gonna be a long video. So I'm just making it short and spicy. Okay, see you in the next one.